Fastest sports bikes in the world 2024. 5. Yamaha YZF-R1M. Price, $26,999. Engine, 998cc inline 4. Power, 200 horsepower. Weight, 450 pounds. Features, Öhlins electronic suspension, carbon fiber body, and racing style electronics. An exciting choice for serious riders. 4. Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100. Price, $25,999. Engine, 1078cc V4. Power, 217 horsepower. Torque, 89 pounds to foot. Features, a Krapovich exhaust, forged aluminum wheels, and cutting-edge electronic aids like launch and wheelie control. 3. Ducati Panigale V4 SP2. Price, $39,500. Engine, 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4. Power, 214 horsepower. Weight, 429 pounds. Features, carbon fiber wheels, Brembo style MR calipers, and a dry clutch. Offers high precision for professional riders. 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Price, $31,500. Engine, 998cc supercharged inline 4. Power, 200 horsepower, 210 with ram air. Top speed, over 200 miles per hour. Features, futuristic bodywork, cutting-edge tech, and inherited features from the track-focused H2R. A street-legal marvel. 1. BMW M1000RR. Price, $33,345. Engine, 999cc inline 4. Power, 205 horsepower. Torque, 83 pounds to foot. Weight, 375 pounds. Features, carbon fiber components, winglets for aerodynamics, titanium exhaust, and advanced ECU with multiple ride modes. Designed for track enthusiasts.